The best way to activate a community and enhance the sense of belonging is to encourage residents to do volunteering. One of the three key pillars of the good practice is volunteering, which is a great form to motivate locals to become more responsible, active and proactive citizens. The activity behind the good practice are actually initiated by enthusiastic citizens regardless of their age and their background. They can realize their own ideas within an organized framework. Usually, volunteers are locals, or they have some kind of attachment to the area of the festival. Volunteers are our most appreciated assets, the engine of engagement. Having a group driven by passionate volunteers provides a place for self and community development. All the citizens can be volunteers, NGO members, residents, seniors, students, everybody can be volunteers while adapting to the method of Budapest 100. In Plasencia, we decided not to have a general open call to recruit volunteers, but to address directly to NGO working in our festival network, taking advantage of the previous collaboration of the City Council with this organization. NGOs have their own networks and target groups, so inviting them seems more powerful than intervention. Depending on the recruited people interest, volunteers can help the project by organizing programs together with the residents, or they can initiate their own ideas and take the opportunity to realize their own passion related to the network or urbanism. Volunteers can also realize research in cultural and architectural history. They can take roles in communication, lead guided tours, or display exhibition. They can also be storytellers and placemakers, just like they were in Plasencia, where residents volunteered to help realize the community festival. In Plasencia, we directly addressed the association members like youth centers, family association, NGO, dealing with local history, resident unions, and so on. We met and phoned them to introduce our project. In smaller cities, direct contacts are more efficient. Besides, we also communicated the opportunity to the municipality and the local press. The volunteers are a great asset, but you need to invest time to keep their motivation high, because volunteering is an extracurricular activity. The most important thing you can do is to give them space and responsibility in order to make them initiate different ideas, but you must be able to nurture their journey with personal support. So we created the place as a reward for them and also for the NGO in order to have some tangible, long-lasting memory. And we have always tried to maintain a festive atmosphere, which encourage volunteers to remain linked to the project. What we learned in Plasencia is that we need to discover the potential of this new citizens' participation to work in an environmental, SDG, circular economy project, and so on. Our Urbat Camin city partners may have agreed that the volunteers are never enough. This is what Ormeso, Jubuda, and Giorgening experienced firsthand. But having a few but enthusiastic volunteers can attract more people to join for future edition, just as the good practice is self-proved.